Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about content. So what is content? Content is something which is produced for an audience, such as the video you're watching right now. This is video content. You can also have, for example, picture content, which is where people take photographs and put them up. You can have written content, such as your emails, your blogs, and different articles that you put out. It's basically something that is crafted for a targeted audience. And as you are people who are interested in marketing or learning marketing, this hopefully will be useful content for you. If you like the content that you saw today, please leave me a message letting me know that I'm going prematurely bald. I'm very aware of it, but I always like these kind of comments because they make me think, I'm glad I chose that path in life, rather than the path of having hair. But when it comes down to it, content is really, really good for your business. So the more content that you've got out there, the better your brand identity will be. So for example, let's say you've got a load of different blogs, this is all content, you've got a load of different blogs talking about different things. That is going to be good because it will help your website rank and it will help people get to know who you are as a company. If you've got a load of video content, say you go around, you take pictures and video of all of your food that you produce if you're a restaurant, or let's say you're an IT firm and you've got an IT specialist who will talk about how to solve different problems, things like that. That is good content because it helps and it benefits, and people will go to you for advice if they need advice on different topics because they will know you. It's brand identity, very, very important. So when it comes down to it, content is one of the most valuable things that you can be doing if you want to make yourself successful. So if you want to be a successful business person and you really, really, really want to push through the boundaries, creating content is really, really important and it can really help your business. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful to you. If you enjoyed the content you saw today, please leave me another message saying, "Hey, Alex, I watched through to the end." I'll really appreciate that. Anyway, you take care. Have a lovely day. Bye.